Sociologists often classify societies based on their level of technology. Pre-industrial hunter-gatherers depended on the environment to survive. They depended on animals and wild vegetation for food and clothing. Horticultural and pastoral societies developed basic farming techniques. Agricultural societies mastered large-scale farming and gave rise to more permanent settlements. Industrial societies emerged after the Industrial Revolution and were defined by mechanized production. Post-industrial society emphasizes services, information, and digital technology in post-industrial or information societies. As societies advance technologically, they may transition from mechanical to organic solidarity. According to Emile Durkheim, with mechanical solidarity, social cohesion comes from shared beliefs and cooperation. Organic solidarity arises in more complex, specialized societies with more significant individual differences. Sociologists analyze society through different theoretical lenses. Functionalists like Durkheim examined how social institutions meet society's needs. Functionalists see industrialization as leading to greater interdependence between specialized workers. Conflict theorists like Marx focus on competition, inequality, and power struggles. Marx saw society as divided into classes based on economic factors. He argued that workers are alienated from their labor in capitalist societies. Max Weber believed modern society was characterized by rationalization, emphasizing efficiency, calculability, and control. He saw the rise of bureaucratic organizations as leading to an iron cage of institutional control. Symbolic interactionists study meanings and identities that arise through social interaction. They see society as consisting of people engaging in role performances. Sociologists view society as a socially constructed reality. Our shared norms, beliefs, and values constitute our social reality. Things exist because we agree they exist. Roles and statuses help organize social interactions. Individuals present themselves based on cultural expectations and social contexts, what Irving Goffman called dramaturgical analysis.